sign. There's a sign right there.
Are you done now?
Yeah, oh no.
Tina's cleanup on the job.
On the job.
Look at, he's a machine, does not stop. Let's go talk to him and see how he feels today. Hey Davis,
Yeah?
how do you feel today?
How do I feel today?
This is you two, say hi.
This is a Sunday. Working 7 days a week. You can't make any money sitting home on a Sunday, can you?
No, you can't.
Let me ask you a question. Just a better sit in the woods. What do you guys think about that?
I think they do.
You can't buy an outfit if you sit on your butt on a Sunday.
No.
You even miss church. That's a bad thing, isn't it?
So they say.
Yeah, it's been a rather interesting day, actually.
Yeah.
We baited him out got himself a good deal. We're doing a little bit extra, just to show people our work, what kind of stuff we do. Other than that, I don't see that. You always should give your extra. Give extra because it's worth it. It makes you feel good. If not, if you just want to quote them and stay with the quote, fine. That's you guys. It's not me. So you give a little bit of extra, a little bit more extra effort. Shows you what kind of heart you got, and it basically shows you who you are as a business owner and as a business, because you care about what other people think about their. You care about what they think about what the stuff looks like. Because I do personally, every customer, I pretend I'm them and pretend it's my house. So now I know what kind of service I would want if I was somebody who was doing my house. I wouldn't want nobody there, not caring. So think about that. Anyways, been a productive week. I've been working 7 days a week, non-stop. So, yeah, it's been good. But other than that, thank you, YouTube, for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, subscribe. And you all have productive coming up Monday. Take care, y'all.